Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever looked at a common household item and wondered if it could do more than what it's designed for? Well, today is your lucky day. We're going to reveal the top 10 surprising uses for everyday items that you probably have lying around your home right now. These unexpected and practical hacks will not only save you time and money, but also make your daily life a lot more convenient. Curious to find out more? Let's dive right in. And don't skip a second, because at the end of this video, we'll share an incredibly versatile item that has over 20 different uses you won't believe. 1. Aluminum foil, the multi-purpose sensation. When you think of aluminum foil, you probably imagine wrapping up leftovers or lining a baking sheet, right? But did you know it has many other incredible uses? One unexpected use is sharpening dull scissors. Simply fold a sheet of aluminum foil several times and cut through it with your scissors about 10 to 15 times to restore their sharpness. Another practical use is as a scrubber. Crumple a piece of aluminum foil into a ball and use it to scrub pots and pans to remove stubborn stains and burnt food. But wait, there's more. Did you know you can use aluminum foil to iron clothes faster? Stay tuned to find out how. 2. Toothpaste. Beyond dental hygiene. We all use toothpaste to keep our teeth clean and our breath fresh, but this versatile product can do so much more. One surprising use of toothpaste is as a silver polish. Apply a small amount on a cloth and rub it onto your silver jewelry or utensils. Then rinse and watch them shine like new. Toothpaste can also remove crayon marks from painted walls. Simply apply, rub gently with a damp cloth, and the marks will disappear. And here's a twist. Do you know toothpaste can be used to remove scuffs from your sneakers? Keep watching to discover this amazing trick. 3. Coffee filters. More than just for coffee, coffee filters are great for making your morning brew, but their uses don't end there. One surprising and practical use for coffee filters is to use them as a lens or screen cleaner. The soft texture makes them perfect for cleaning glass surfaces without leaving behind any scratches or lint. Additionally, coffee filters can be used as disposable bowls for snacks, making cleanup a breeze after movie night. But that's not all. Did you know coffee filters can also help keep your garden pest-free? Stay tuned to find out more. 4. Rubber bands. Versatile and handy. Rubber bands are ubiquitous and seem to be everywhere, but they can often be underutilized. One surprising use for rubber bands is to use them as jar openers. Simply wrap a rubber band around the lid of a stubborn jar for extra grip, and twisting it open will be a breeze. Another ingenious use for rubber bands is as page markers. Stretch a rubber band horizontally across the pages of your book to keep your place without damaging the pages. And here's a twist. Did you know rubber bands can also prevent clothes from slipping off hangers? Keep watching to learn this handy trick. 5. Dryer sheets. Beyond the laundry room. Dryer sheets are known for making our laundry smell fresh and reducing static, but they have many other surprising uses. For example, a used dryer sheet can help remove pet hair from furniture. Simply run the sheet over your couch or chair, and it will attract and collect the fur. Dryer sheets can also be used to clean soap scum from shower doors. The fabric softener in the sheet helps to break down the grime, leaving your shower sparkling clean with minimal effort. But there's more. Did you know dryer sheets can keep your home smelling fresh in unexpected ways? We'll reveal the secrets soon. 6. Baking soda, the cleaning powerhouse. We all know baking soda as a baking ingredient, but its uses extend far beyond the kitchen. One of its surprising uses is as a carpet deodorizer. Sprinkle baking soda liberally over your carpet, let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and then vacuum it up to leave your carpet smelling fresh. Another practical use is as a drain cleaner. Pour half a cup of baking soda followed by half a cup of vinegar down your drain. Let it fizz for a few minutes, then flush with hot water to clear any blockages and eliminate odors. And here's the kicker. Did you know baking soda can also help you clean your bathroom effortlessly? Stay tuned to find out how. 7. Vinegar, the ultimate multi-purpose liquid. Vinegar is a staple in most kitchens, but its versatility might surprise you. One unexpected use is as a weed killer. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply it to weeds in your garden. The acidity of the vinegar will kill the weeds without the need for harmful chemicals. Vinegar can also help to descale your coffee maker. Fill a reservoir with equal parts vinegar and water, run a brew cycle, and then follow with 2 cycles of water to rinse it out. But wait, there's even more! Did you know vinegar can make your stainless steel appliances shine like new? Keep watching to learn how. 8. Lemons, nature's cleaning agent. Lemons are not just for culinary purposes. They are also powerful cleaning agents. One surprising use for lemons is to clean your microwave. Cut a lemon in half, place it in a bowl of water, and microwave it for 3 to 5 minutes. The steam will loosen any grime, making it easy to wipe clean. Lemons are also great for freshening up your garbage disposal. Slice a few lemons and run them through the disposal to remove any lingering odors and leave a fresh citrus scent. And here's a twist. Did you know lemons can also help you keep your cutting boards sanitized? Keep watching to discover this amazing hack. 9. WD-40, the problem solver. Most people have a can of WD-40 in their garage for lubricating squeaky hinges, but its uses go beyond that. One surprising use for WD-40 is to remove crayon marks from walls. Spray a little on the marks, then wipe clean with a cloth, and they'll disappear like magic. WD-40 can also be used to remove stuck-on stickers and labels from new purchases. Spray it on the adhesive residue, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wipe away with ease. And here's the kicker. Did you know WD-40 can also help waterproof your shoes? Stay tuned to find out how. 10. Olive oil, beyond cooking. Olive oil is a kitchen staple, but it has many other practical uses. One surprising use is as a furniture polish. Apply a small amount of olive oil to a cloth and wipe down wooden furniture to restore its shine and condition the wood. Olive oil can also help to remove makeup. Dab a little olive oil onto a cotton ball and gently wipe away your makeup. It's a natural and effective way to clean your skin without harsh chemicals. But wait, there's more. Did you know olive oil can help prevent rust on your tools? Keep watching to learn this unexpected trick.